by becoming rich.
It's your boy, He Got Shoe Game. Welcome back. We got another unboxing review and on feet for you guys today. If you like shoes just as much as I do, then you came to the right place. Yes, you did. We got a YEEZY 350 Zyon. Colorway is 10, and it's a nice shoe. Never owned a pair of Yeezys, it's the first one, and I'm just gonna kind of show you guys how I feel about it and explain like why I got it. And yeah, let's not waste no time. Let's get into it. Got your box right here. This came straight from Hibbit Sports. I hit on the raffle. Luckily enough, I was able to hit, because getting Yeezys nowadays is super hard, especially like with bots and stuff. And if y'all don't know what bots are, it's like a program where you're able to check out like 10 up to 40 pairs at one time, and it's crazy, it's ridiculous. So now it's just hard to even get a pair of shoes. And these Yeezys, I wasn't expecting to get them, but I just went ahead and copped them just to kind of show you guys like what's up with them. It was pretty crazy how I hit on the raffle. Like I was really not expecting to hit on the raffle. Because I know even like hitting manually, like trying to get a pair manually, it's even as hard at that. But you know, your boy, he hit. So I hope y'all doing good. I hope y'all staying blessed, being safe out there. You know, things getting tough nowadays. But you know, I'm hoping I can bring a smile to your face. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's just get on into it. We got your YEEZY 350 Zyon. You know, woo, yeah. I never owned a pair. I'm just as excited as you are. And reads YEEZY Boost 350 V2 Zyon. And these right here is a 9.5. A 9.5. Look at that. Take a look at that. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Let's get to the unboxing. Oh, I didn't even know they pack it up like this. Oh. Blessings, I'm telling you, blessings. We got your YEEZY 352 Zyon. You know, look at that. Nice cushion on the bottom. Tan colorway with a nice dark brown stripe on the side. Oh, these are nice, man. I ain't gonna even cap with you. Right here in the middle, you can kind of see through it. Let me get this other one out real quick for you guys. You know, I ain't playing. I mean, to me, these are fire. They approve. 1 through 10, I give them a 10. Get that 10? Cause they 10. Yeah, boy. These fresh, man, for real. These look really nice with the outfit, you know, cause I'm camouflage out here. They can't see me. Hey, let's get on into it with the review on feet. Yeah. Now, really quick before I did go, I just want to mention really fast. Having one shoe on, it feels real comfortable. Having some Yeezys, wow. Like, now I see what the hype is about. On the inside, if you take a look at that. You got the YEEZY print. I don't know why I was way down there. You got the YEEZY print. I know you can see that. But overall, I think comfortability-wise, it's a good shoe. And on feet, they look nice. But let's just get on into it. My bad. I'm wasting too much time. Yeah. shoes mold my feet, because they do mold into your feet, like the material wise, like it just molds it. Comfortability is fantastic. Like, you need a pair of Yeezys in your life. Like, these, I'm for sure gonna hold on to them. I think because like I don't see myself selling them, because I don't see myself ever getting a pair of another Yeezys again. I just got lucky with that raffle, but for sure these are like I'm on the fence about them, but I'm more leaning towards like, hey bro, you need these. So if you could get yourself some Yeezys, you know, do it. Just do it like Nike. It's your boy, and we out. He got shoe game. Yo.